you guys a secret. A lot of people are looking for the cheapest traffic source available, okay? The cheapest traffic. Maybe you can't afford it, maybe you just your situation like that. It might hurt you more than help you, okay? If you go for the cheapest, it might be more expensive for you long term, okay? So a little secret for you, don't be cheap when you're trying to build something great, okay? Over here, developing yourself, don't be cheap when you try to develop yourself. Okay? Don't cheat either when you're trying to develop yourself. With traffic, don't get fooled by thinking that, hey, just if traffic is is cheap, if I can get 5-cent visitors, then I just need to jam my site with those 5-cent visitors. If it does not work, stop doing it. Okay? With traffic, it's really simple. I need to focus on quick traffic methods. Okay? I need to focus on, I'll tell you. We're creating a training that we're going to be releasing here. One sec. Complete traffic mastery. Okay, check this out. Okay, you guys want to know the traffic sources? Okay, if you really want to have just master traffic, you want me to blow you away with something? Let me see if I can do this. Okay. How far can you see? Can you see all the way up to here? Okay, you can. Let me do this. Okay. Here are the main channels for traffic, but don't get overwhelmed. I'm just going to paint the big picture here for you, okay? By the way, we're going to be releasing this, and it's coming up. It's coming up real soon here, okay? So check this out. It's really simple, okay? Email traffic. I'm gonna touch a little bit about each one of those, okay? Display traffic. Okay, we've got Facebook traffic, which is important. I'm talking about paid. Okay, these are the traffic sources that work right now. Okay, Instagram traffic. Okay, now speaking of Instagram traffic, just to give you how powerful, give you an idea how powerful this thing alone is. I had. You guys know an account on Instagram? It's called Daily Dose. Tim Kerslev. Okay, they control them. There's him and a couple of his partners. So they got this network, right? They dominate. I mean, they're all the like major like I think close to like 4 million or just over 4 million reach they got, on Instagram alone. So he was telling me he was just in our studios here, and we were recording traffic training on Instagram specifically, okay, how to become the best on Instagram. And I'm like, dude, what's possible on Instagram right now? Okay, because I was not really tapping into that, but Instagram, I think they got about, I think they're up to like 600 million users right now on Instagram, and it's booming, okay? 7.2 or 7.4 billion people in the world right now. Okay, Facebook is over 1.5 billion. So, check this out. Over 1.5 billion, okay? Now, there's almost another 6 billion people that are not even on Facebook that are coming to Facebook, and Facebook bought Instagram, right? So this can potentially be as big, if not bigger, than Facebook for traffic. And right now, they're tiny little baby, and I'm like, okay, so what's possible just on Instagram alone? He's like, well, Vic, we've delivered as much as 4 million visitors of real people from Instagram to a link in 3 days. Okay? How crazy is that? Okay? How crazy is that? And this is just one little pocket of traffic generation, right? Now, what I need to do though, look, what I need to do is I need to say, okay, what are going to be my skill sets? Okay? If I want to become great, if I want to do this, it's really as simple as, pointing your finger and say, okay, I want to do that, I want to do that, I want to become great at that. And forget everything else for a moment, for a time, right? Until you really master one thing, and then just add to it, like a Lego piece, right? Just boom, 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 add to it. And then with what I'm going to show you with systematizing this thing, you can really create a giant machine. You won't be able to stop it even if you wanted to. Okay? Okay, good. that make sense? So check it out. That's not everything though yet, right? We got Twitter. Twitter is kind of, okay? Twitter is going through some turbulence right now, but they're still a big major player right now, okay? There's Twitter ads you can dabble into, okay? Now, we've got YouTube. My goodness, this is, okay, YouTube traffic. Huge, virtually untapped territory right now, okay? We've got, let's see, mobile traffic, okay? Okay, let's see what else we've got. Of course, we've got pay-per-click, okay, the big gorilla. Okay, what else we've got? We've got content, right? Just give you traffic. Okay, what else? Of course, there is retargeting. Can't forget retargeting. Okay, there is a big thing, you guys. It's called influencer. Influencers traffic. Huge. Okay, so I can go. Okay. If you know what how to tap into this, which again we'll train you if you want. Okay. By the way, how many of you guys would like to learn all this stuff, like or at least have access to all this? Be like, dude, if I could have that in my arsenal, and I'm talking about this kind of stuff that's not like that worked 3 years ago. Literally, who is the best? I'm not the best in Instagram. Okay, I'm not the best in Instagram. I'm really good here. I'm really good here. Okay, pretty good here. Okay, really good here, okay, really good here, really good here, okay, and really good in some other things like, for example, systems, okay, systems traffic master, okay, systems traffic. Okay, then we've got, and we got some stuff I can't share with you yet, okay, but 4%ers you guys will learn, okay, so check it out. If you had a choice, and you would be like, okay, what do I want to learn? Okay? It can be overwhelming if you think you need to learn everything. But you know what the cool part is? Point your finger. Do you like to surf Instagram all day long? Go to Instagram, learn. Okay, so what we say we're gonna do is, say, okay, in 4%, we're gonna bring who is the best in the world. There's a lot of small fish, there's a lot of pretenders, there's a lot of echoes out there trying to train people on how to do Instagram traffic. They got no clue what they're doing, right? So what I'm saying is this: identify. And you guys, I got nothing to sell you. Okay, I'm just giving you a bird's eye view here. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 12 traffic sources or 12 traffic generating streams, okay, that you can tap into and get tons of traffic from. Each one of these can make you a millionaire in by itself. Like if I want to help and just master email traffic, I can become a millionaire per year. By the way, my definition of a millionaire is not somebody who made $1 million in 5 years combined period. Everybody here is probably a millionaire. I mean, everybody. You live long enough, you'll be a millionaire, even if you work at McDonald's. You know what I mean? I mean, you just live like 200 or 300 years, you probably become a millionaire. Okay? A millionaire definition of a millionaire to me is somebody who can pull that off in a year, in a 12-month period, right? That's kind of important, because that person can teach you something that this other guy who had to work 8 years to reach $1 million in earnings cannot teach you. Okay? So influencers traffic, I'm talking about networks of people that you can get introduced to tap into other people's platforms, such as Instagram, such as Facebook, such as display, such as email, right? And you can start here. By the way, we're going to be tapping, you guys are going through the Operation 100K in 4% right now. We're going to be, I think it's module 11 or 12 coming up. We're going to be tapping into this right here. You're going to start learning about influencers traffic. Crazy idea. So people that are saying, you know what, traffic is not, is something that's like, I cannot learn, I cannot do this, or I cannot do that. I'm here to tell you, it's the easiest thing, okay? But you've got to make a decision. Okay? And you've got to make a decision to develop your skill set by learning this first skill, which is traffic generation, from somebody who knows what they're doing, okay? If you're buying courses right now, and deep down you're like, I don't really know, okay, I would suggest stop buying them, because you'll probably end up spending more money, and misinformation or wrong information is more expensive, okay, than the premium level course that you were putting off to buy. And again, I'm not selling you a thing here, okay, I'm just telling you as a friend, somebody that you follow, hopefully, right, to hopefully save you some money. Make sense? Do not be cheap in your approach to become great. Okay? Is the stream okay, you guys? I see some people saying this is glitchy. Please continue to be passionate with this group. You're onto a real winner here. This business will explode. I just know it will. Darren. Best training on earth, David St. Clair. You guys like this? We continue? My goodness, we've been here for how long now? And almost an hour. You all got time, or do we want to break it down for part 2 or something like that? Tell me. Okay. Okay. So skill number 1 is traffic generation. Yep, you got it. So look. Ah, man, I'll tell you. How many of you guys here are just? I'll do a shameless plug. Okay. Because I know what I'm going to tell you. How many of you right now, you are not part of the 4%? You're not a part of the 4%. Not yet. Okay? What I would encourage you is create yourself a free account. Just don't, like, you can do whatever you want, but since it doesn't cost you anything, wouldn't you think it would be an idea for you to at least check it out, right? Because what we wanted to do is this. Look, I'm not the best at everything, okay? The reason we wanted to create the 4% is we said, look, what do you need to be successful, okay? With all the garbage, like 96% of people, of everything that people are buying, including you don't need to buy. You can save yourself a whole bunch of money, focus on the key elements that will really make the difference and move the needle for you, okay? So who is the best, okay? The next thing that your skill sets, okay?